Yo, what's good, what's good? Welcome to a new video. I know you're like, oh my god, he's 10 years old, oh my god, he sounds 10, oh my god, oh my god. I know, okay. And okay, never mind. Forget all that, but yeah, anyway, today I'll be showing you a new Hood Customs camlock. This shit's actually OP, you know? Like when you're like all below peen or something, that shit's actually good. Like me, like it's pin right here. I'll show like a video how to get low peen soon, you know? I mean, on next video I'll show you how to get low peen actually. It's just like one click. Okay, so no. Bro, do you want to? Okay, right here. Okay, you see? Oh man. Alright, nobody wants to move me. Alright, over here. Let's see. We need our victim. We need like our target. We need like a victim. Who's gonna be my victim? Oh yeah, you look at this. Look at this, bro. Just look at this OP lock. Look at this. Bro, get out my face, bro. Maybe I should use reefers and use red. Bro, this shit's hella OP, bro. Oh, no. Crap. Why still one? You saw that, bro? You saw that? Nah, she's just lucky, bro, because I just got a spike. Oh, no, I wasn't using red, bro. I'm gonna lose, bro. Bro, stop getting so close to me, bro. Weirdo. Oh, wow. Bro, get out of my face, bro. Thank you. Alright. Okay, so yes, okay, I don't know what that was, but yeah, okay, so yeah. That's actually that lock. You want it, I'll leave the description. So credits to the owner. You know, credits like yeah. Shout out to the owner for making this camlock. I'm just showcasing it. I know my other videos that I forgot to give credits to the owners and everything. I'm gonna do that right now while I upload this video, you know. So yeah, see ya guys.